My Electrolux front-load washer is leaking from the bottom during wash cycles only. Rinse cycles are fine. No leaks. What should I check? I had some work done on it a few months ago and the leak gas been off and on since, but no is very consistent. Could it be the boot seal wasn't replaced correctly? The washer is only about 1.5 years old.
Hello and thanks for using this service. If you have been waiting, do not worry or get upset. I'm just one of the techs on here and I try to get to as many customers as I can, and I just picked up your question now. Please give me time to respond, as typing, researching and adding links takes me time to do, so please be patient, and often I will ask you questions to narrow down the issue to get it diagnosed correctly. Either the tub boot is leaking or you may have a pump leak. Can you remove the top on the unit and see if you can see any leaking from above when running? Or can you remove the back access panel to see if you can find the dripping when it is running?
I removed the rear access panel and started another small load. As soon as the wash cycle starts, it begins leaking from west, looks like the drum. The leak is above the large billow-like hose that connects to several components. Here is a screen grab of a short video I took. I couldn't attach the whole video. Hope it helps explain what I am seeing.
Is there a hole punched in the outer tub?
I don't know. I can't see the exact spot. I will try to use a mirror and get back to you. Why would it only leak on the wash cycle and not the rinse cycle, if there was a puncture? Here are a couple pictures using a mirror to look up at the drum. Looks like a puncture. The other picture is of a rusty nail I found down in the tray. I'm guessing that is too expensive of a fix. Best to replace the washer.
Just dry it up and seal the hole up with silicone. There is little pressure on the hole, so I have done that with great success in the past. If you are not happy with the service, please let me know before leaving a negative rating. This is the only way I am paid or credited through the site for my time. This will also allow you to get directly back to me for free follow-up questions, and tips are greatly appreciated. Thanks.
No problem. I will try the silicone and check it in the morning. I will give you a good rating in the morning if everything seems okay. Thanks for your efforts.
Yes, no problem, thank you. The silicone cure up before using. You can use an air duster can to dry it all out around the hole before sealing it up.
Everything seems to be working well. Thank you for your advice.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.